Okay, so what are learning styles? And what can they do for us as teachers? And what can they do for our students? Learning styles are tricky. They can be great tools for our students to learn about themselves, and can be great starts for teachers to decide how to structure their creative parts of their lessons. But learning styles are not necessarily needed in instruction. They are a great choice for students and teachers to integrate into their studying and lessons, but they're not required for teachers to implement into their lesson plans. In this presentation, I'm going to go over a few different ways of testing for learning styles and preferences. But again, this is all to the discretion of the teacher and their students, whether this is actually beneficial to student achievement. Something, again, to keep in mind during this entire presentation is that there's a lot of challenges when it comes to these tests and validity. So that kind of means that sometimes they're not always pointing you in the correct direction with your students. So it's important to keep in mind that you select tests that work for you, and that they also are valid tests. It's really, really, really important that your students get the correct information out of these tests. Otherwise, it might deter them